Okay, students. Now, this is a constant question. And the reason that I know it's a constant is because I notice here two things. I notice one, that I have a lot of graphs. Okay, well, why is this a constant? Pretend that's an arrow, children. So why is this a constant? Well, the reason that this is a constant is because I have only one variable. So when you have one variable, what am I looking for? I'm looking for a straight line, which means that come down a little bit, that these two lines are automatically going to be wrong. And the reason that they're going to be wrong is, for a line to be diagonal, that means that x and y are working together at the same time. It has to be one of these two graphs. It has to be my first graph or my second graph. Why? Because they're only working in one direction. That means they're only using one variable. And I got to figure out which one is working in the y direction. And you got to be careful, kids, because you're automatically going to think it's this line because, oh, hey, y goes up and down. This line goes up and down. No, that's not true at all. See, if I actually put coordinates here, let's say I just put 3 coordinates at random, okay? Okay, this first coordinate would be negative, not negative, be 4, comma, negative 5. This coordinate would be 4, comma, 0, and this coordinate would be 4, comma, 9. Now, that's not, okay, I do have a value of 4 that keeps repeating, and that's something I want to look for. But that's not the y value in the coordinate, that's the x value in the coordinate. And what if I put some coordinates here? Let me just take 3 coordinates at random here. There we go. Okay. Now this coordinate would be negative 6, comma 4. This coordinate would be 0, comma 4. That's a 4, kids. And this coordinate is 10, comma 4. Now, why is it that this would be y equals 4? Well, if you look, the y coordinates are constantly 4. If the y coordinates are constantly 4, then that must mean that y equals 4. If the x coordinates are constantly 4, that must mean that x equals 4. So I think A is my correct answer here, not B. B looks like it, but not so much. If you're confused as to how to write your steps, my advice to you would be step 1, write the coordinates. Step 2, look to see which coordinates are repeating, and that should lead you directly to your answer. I hope that